Greetings to all. Myself Maheshwari Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS College of Education, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about child-centered teaching. Why we are saying this as child-centered teaching or learner-centered teaching? We are giving more importance to learners and we are using that particular method to teach, the particular learner-centered method to teach to the particular students. So, learner-centered method plays a crucial role in the interaction process during the classroom situation. There are various methods are available in the learner-centered technique. Now, our students, three of our students will discuss the three important methods in the learner-centered way. Now, I hand over the session to our students.
So, now in learner-centered learning, I will tell about laboratory method. So, in laboratory method, actually a learner will get engaged with the class. So, in this method of teaching, a teacher and a student will interact much than a classroom. Instead of just a lecturing method, we can go with laboratory method where the students can go in practical hands-on and training. So, if a topic is being conducted or a class is being conducted, in that a particular topic should be chosen and a preparation must be given to the students by giving bridge courses, or like we should freshen up their knowledge by asking few questions and then let the students to participate in the experiment that they are going to do. Okay, so the objectives of the laboratory method is that it will give subject matter to the student. Unlike lecture method, a student will get what the content is all about by getting hands-on experience. And learning by doing is a very important point in laboratory method, and use the laboratory methods for procedures, and also they develop observation and reasoning skills. So there are actually many types of laboratory methods. So first will include individual system. So in individual system, a student will practice the experiment individually. So they will get insight about what they are doing. So this is bit expensive method because each and every student should have all the apparatus and should be given with all the apparatus. So it is a bit expensive and a time-taking process, and the ratio will be 1:1, the experimenter and the experimenter. So it will be going hand in hand. In this, two types of individual method is there. So first thing is event front system and the second one is rotation method. Second one is rotation method. And in event front system, the individual will actively participate in doing the experiment. In this, the student will be getting observation individually. Whereas in rotation, all the students will be assigned with each experiment. So that after one student complete the particular experiment, the other student will come and do that experiment. So it will go rotationally. And the next type is multiple group system. So in multiple group system, the teacher will divide the students into group, and the students will be participating in the experiment, and they'll do the experiment as a group. So in this, disadvantage is there, that the students will actually take the observation from the other student and they write it up, copy and they write it up. So it will not give much more exposure to the students to learn. The students who are slow learners or who are not interested in learning or who are not paying concentration on what they are studying, they will be lacking off. So they will not get the opportunity to learn. So this is where the multiple group system will be lacking. Otherwise, in schools and colleges, this procedure is followed because all the students will be getting apparatus to work on. But this method we are not following it as of now. Few experiments can be given, but as a group in biological class, all the apparatus cannot be given: biology, physics, and chemistry. That's it.
So in the laboratory method, we are using the things in the laboratory. For example, here I want to show the plant growth. I can use this apparatus, isn't it? How the growth takes place. Each and every day we can make the students to observe how the growth takes place and how the flowering happens. We can observe the particular things in the laboratory situation. And then there are various advantages in the laboratory method. Students can feel how the experiment is going on and analyze what is the changes takes place there. When we are teaching biological science, we can make the students to analyze why they are observing that, and then we can interpret in the particular style itself. Okay, so the laboratory method is a well suitable method to teach the biological science class.